Hello and welcome to Miss Dooley's classroom. Today our learning goal is to write written algorithms when adding and subtracting numbers of any size. I have also included the learning outcomes for teachers that wish to use this as a resource. Some additions can be completed using mental strategies. You can also write a vertical algorithm to do the calculation. Vertical algorithms are useful when you wish to add large numbers. And here's one example of using a vertical algorithm now. So if I have the numbers 356 and I add 85, I'm going to take off the ones here and just round the numbers down to 350 and 80. And 350 plus 80 is 430. So I've still got left my ones, which is 6 and 5. So 6 and 5 makes 11. So let's go back and add 430 and our ones, which is 11. So 430 add on 11, 0 plus 1 is 1, 3 plus 1 is 4, and 4 and nothing is 4. And that leaves me with a total of 441. Let's have another look at a different strategy. In this next example, we're going to use the same numbers again for comparison, but we're going to break it down to the ones, adding the tens and the hundreds. So if we start with 356 and add 85, I'm going to start by looking at my ones. So 6 and 5 is 11, and I'm going to write those down under the correct place value. In the next step, I'm going to have a look at the tens. And I've got 8 plus 5, and 8 plus 5 equals 13, but because it's in the tens, we've got to move the numbers into the tens column. And you'll notice how the numbers have pushed over. In the next step, I'm going to add my 300s and line those up in the hundreds column. And I add my three groups of numbers. So 11, 130, and 300. So this ones column will total 1. This tens column will total 4, and this hundreds column will total 4. And that leaves me with a total of 441, which got us the same answer. We're going to try one last example of a vertical algorithm. In this final example, we will be using the trading method to add our numbers 356 and 85. So in this method, we need to add our ones, and our ones are 6 and 5. So those together added are 11, and 11 will have to be split because it won't fit into the ones column. So I'll put the 1 down into the ones and carry the other 1, which is 10, into the tens column. So now in my tens, I need to add 8 and 5 and 1, which makes 14 tens. So I'll put down the 4 of the 14 into the tens column and carry the 1 into the hundreds column because it's 100. And now I'm adding 1 and 3 to make 4. And that leaves me with 441, the same answer. Hopefully today you have found a method that you have enjoyed and could use next time when adding vertical algorithms. Thank you for watching.